Hey kids, look at today's poster. Joan, look at today's poster.
It's scary.
Yeah, looking scary. Job is here, and what do you think this is?
I can't see. Maybe.
Uh-huh.
Maybe.
Yes.
I don't know.
You don't know? This is whirlwind. Can you say whirlwind?
Whirlwind.
Yes. So today we are gonna make whirlwind. Here is a bottle, plastic bottle. Yes.
And
open the cap
two
and
carrots.
water. Okay. Bottle, water, and blue watercolor, watercolor, blue, and vinegar. 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of dishwash.
What is this?
So, first,
Can I do it?
yes,
Put the water.
pour the water. Yeah, pour the water up to
scary.
1/4, like this much. Yeah. Can I help you? Full, careful.
How? Until when?
Yeah, up to here, so you can continue. Yeah, you can use all that water.
I think it will not. I think we need more water.
Yeah, that's true, but I think let's just try that much. Okay.
It's too small. Let's pour more water. More scary.
Okay.
I think we will use all of this.
Okay. And would you use the blue watercolor to make it color blue? Okay. Oops. Maybe. Oh, much? No, I don't think so. Okay, and then yes, add vinegar.
This is
Vinegar? Yes, vinegar. Okay, and dishwash.
What is dishwash?
Soap, dish soap.
Um,
Do you think the whirlwind we made looks like this one in the Bible story picture? How is it alike or different? How do you think? Is it alike or different?
different.
Very different? Oh, okay, yes. God spoke to Job in the whirlwind. The story of Job reminds us of Jesus. Jesus never sinned, but he saves us from sin. Jesus comforts us when we hurt, and we can trust him. And put the duct tape around the cap. And now shaking time. Shake, shake.
Yeah.
Oh! Shake, shake. Oh. Oh. Oh, a lot of bubbles. Shake, shake more. A lot of bubbles.
Yeah.
Do you see whirlwind there?
No.
No? Shake, shake. No whirlwind? Maybe when you open the can. Don't open the can.
Maybe. I want
No! Maybe we put too much water.
to. Maybe.
Yeah. I see a lot of bubbles there. We have to see the whirlwind inside. Shh. Like that.
Maybe we open.
No. Right, what about yours? What about your bottle? Do you see whirlwind? I think I see a little bit.
Yeah, I think no.
How's yours?